गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू SRS IAS एंड लॉ अकेडमी। आज की जो हमारी क्लास होगी वो मेंस आंसर राइटिंग की क्लास होगी। इससे पिछली क्लास में हमने दो आंसर्स जो हैं वो लिख लिए थे, जो आपके यूपीएससी मेंस में जो है ड्रेनेज से रिलेटेड जो आपसे क्वेश्चन जो है वो पूछे गए हैं, उसमें से हमने दो आंसर्स जो है वो हमने फ्रेम कर लिए थे। ठीक है, आज भी हम जो है दो आंसर्स जो है वो फ्रेम करेंगे। ठीक है, तो पहले मैं आपको क्वेश्चन लिखवा दूंगा, देन उसके बाद जो है आप उसका आंसर जो है वो फ्रेम कर लीजिएगा। ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन है आपका, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखो, the interlinking of rivers can provide viable solutions to the multidimensional interrelated problems of drought, floods and interrupted navigation full stop, critically examine 2020 का क्वेश्चन था ये। नेक्स्ट लिखो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मेजर सिटीज ऑफ इंडिया आर becoming vulnerable to flood conditions full stop, discuss। ये 2016 का क्वेश्चन था। ठीक है, अब जो है आप वीडियो जो है इसको पॉज करके अपने आंसर जो है वो फ्रेम कर लीजिए। मीनवाइल मैं आपको आंसर जो है वो लिखवा देता हूँ। ठीक है, अपना टाइमर लगा लो, 6.5-7 मिनट का टाइमर अपना लगा लो और अपने आंसर जो है उनको फ्रेम करना जो है वो आप स्टार्ट कर दो। ठीक है, मीनवाइल मैं आपको आंसर जो है वो लिखवा देता हूँ। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था आपका, द इंटरलिंकिंग ऑफ रिवर्स कैन प्रोवाइड वाइबल सॉल्यूशंस टू द मल्टीडायमेंशनल इंटररिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ ड्रॉट, फ्लड्स एंड इंटरप्टेड नेविगेशन, क्रिटिकली एग्जामिन। 2020 का क्वेश्चन था ये। इंट्रो लिखो इसकी, अनलाइक सदर्न स्टेट्स, the northern plains of India are endowed with surplus water due to the presence of perennial rivers originating from the Himalayas full stop। The river interlinking project aims to link 60 rivers so that water from the surplus basin to deficit basin can be transferred full stop। The project aims to link 60 rivers, some of which include Ken Betwa, Daman Ganga Pinjal PINJAL, महानदी गोदावरी। इसको ऐसे लिखना है, केन बेतवा, महानदी गोदावरी, और कौन सी लिखवाई थी मैंने आपको, दमन गंगा पिंजल, ठीक है, फुल स्टॉप। नेक्स्ट हेडिंग में नाउ प्रपोज्ड बेनिफिट्स। इसके 5 बुलेट पॉइंट्स बनेंगे। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, हाइड्रो पावर जनरेशन। इसमें लिखो, द रिवर इंटरलिंकिंग प्रोजेक्ट The river interlinking project claims to generate a total power of 34 gigawatt, which will help India fulfill its growing requirements and commitments to the Paris Climate Deal. Full stop. Next point, flood control. अंडरलाइन करके इसको कॉलन डाल दो. फ्लड कंट्रोल लिखो. द ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू कंजर्व seasonal flow of irrigation, hydropower generation and flood control. Full stop. For instance, comma, the linkage will transfer surplus flows of the Kosi, comma, Gandak and Ghaggar, Ghagra, Ghaggar to the west. Full stop. Next point, drought mitigation. इसमें लिखो, the aim is to transfer water to drought prone regions. Full stop. A link with the Ganga and Yamuna is proposed to transfer the surplus water to drought prone areas of Haryana, comma, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Full stop. Next point, round the ear navigation. अंडरलाइन करके कॉलन डाल लो. लिखो, as it would address low levels of water in southern India's river. Low levels of water in southern India's rivers, comma, it would provide year around waterways connectivity. Full stop. Under this project 10,000 kilometers of navigation will be developed, reducing the transportation cost. Full stop. Next point, irrigation benefits. इसमें लिखो, interlinking of rivers will increase the country's total irrigation potential. Interlinking of rivers will increase the country's total irrigation potential. Full stop. It will provide additional irrigation to 35 million hectares 35 million hectares in the water scarce regions. In the water scarce regions. Full stop. Next heading डालो, concerns with the project. Concerns with the project. Underline कर दो इसको. इसके 4 पॉइंट्स हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट लिखो, perennial rivers are not so perennial. Perennial rivers are not so perennial. ठीक है, कॉलन डालो इसके आगे और इसको भी अंडरलाइन कर लो. लिखो इसमें, a new analysis of rainfall data, a new analysis of rainfall data reveals that monsoon shortage grow in river basins with surplus water falling in those with scarcities. Next लिखो, second point, federal issues. इसमें लिखो, historically there has been descent, D-I-S-S-E-N-T, descent on the part of states regarding water sharing. Full stop. Examples include Kaveri, comma, Mahadayi, Mahadayi. Disputes. Mahadayi disputes. Full stop. Next point, neighboring countries. देखो, convincing neighbors will be a tough task. Full stop. For example, comma, Bangladesh being a lower riparian state, R-I-P-A-R-I-A-N, riparian state is less likely to agree to India's interlinking project. Full stop. Next point, high environmental cost. देखो इसमें, construction of dams will lead to submerging of Himalayan forest and wide scale displacement of people. Full stop. For example, Ken Betwa project will consume 23 square mile of forest land. Full stop. Moreover, comma, it would harm many ecological factors like delta formation, comma, growth of mangroves and aquatic life. फुल स्टॉप, कंक्लूजन लिखो इसका. The necessity, NECESSITY, necessity and feasibility, the necessity and feasibility, FEASIBILITY, feasibility of river interlinking should be seen on case to case basis, comma, with adequate emphasis on easing out federal issues and environmental cost. Full stop. Alongside, comma, local solutions, ब्रैकेट में लिखो, like better irrigation practices, bracket close, and watershed management should be focused on. नेक्स्ट देखो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था आपका, मेजर सिटीज ऑफ इंडिया आर बिकमिंग वल्नरेबल टू फ्लड कंडीशंस. फुल स्टॉप, डिस्कस. आंसर लिखो इसका, इंट्रो लिखो. इंडियन सिटीज लाइक मुंबई, कॉमा, कोलकाता एंड चेन्नई are being continuously deluged, deluged by the floods, comma, throwing the amenities AMENITIES, throwing the amenities of urban life to question. Full stop. Along with climate change, comma, that has resulted in such unexpected monsoon spills, comma, other occasions that can be attributed to it आर के बाद कॉलन लगा लो, ARER, कॉलन लगाओ. देन बुलेट पॉइंट्स बनाने स्टार्ट करो. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, haphazards, HAPHAZARDS, haphazards and rapid urbanization without proper planning has put the natural carrying capacity of cities under stress, comma, severely limiting their drainage capacity. Full stop. Next point, improper and unregulated urbanization has also led to failure of also led to failure of civic authorities to manage drainage resulting in poor sewage treatment, comma, clogging of drains and sewer lines, SEWER, sewer lines, thus intensifying drainage problem during monsoon. Next point, urbanization and associated activities like dredging, dredging, comma, spilling on to the fragile coastal and riverbeds, comma, thus hampering their natural absorptive capacity, ABSORBT, ABSORBTIVE, absorptive capacity. Full stop. Next point, destruction of wetlands in and around cities, which act as natural absorbers of excess runoff during monsoons. Full stop. Next point नहीं, next heading डालो. To prevent such floodings, following measures, MEASURES, following measures need to be taken. First point, proper urban planning along with provisions for efficient drainage system. Full stop. Next point, strict regulations on construction in fragile coastal and riverbed systems. Next point, rainwater harvesting systems should be put up. Full stop. Next point, timely preparedness and precautions should be taken by municipal bodies like cleaning of drainage systems, comma, traffic management, comma, outflow provisions for excess water before onset of monsoons. Full stop. Next point, disaster management team to be put in place to chalk out, chalk out pre and post disaster responses to minimize losses due to such eventualities. losses due to such eventualities. EVENTUALITIES eventualities. Full stop. Conclusion लिखो इसका. Apart from above measures, robust implementation of Sendai framework, SENDAI, Sendai framework for disaster risk reduction, Sendai framework for disaster risk reduction 2015 to 2030, 2015 से 30 तक. ठीक है, ये फ्रेमवर्क बनाया हुआ है. कॉमा effective utilization of government schemes like अमरूद, AMRUT, कैपिटल में लिखना है इसको, अमरूद, कॉमा स्मार्ट cities and further impetus, IMPETUS, impetus on coastal zone management and regulation should be undertaken to deal with such challenges. फुल स्टॉप. ठीक है, तो आज की जो हमारी क्लास थी वो यहीं तक थी. ठीक है, अब इसके 3 क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपके रहते हैं, वो जो है वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास जो है उसमें आपको जो है वो करवा देंगे. ठीक है, तो आज की जो हमारी क्लास थी वो यहीं तक थी. थैंक यू सो मच.